Registering for a class account. For all of my classes, you need to register for an account on my personal class website. This is where you get your assignments, and this is where you turn in your work. Go to the class site, Burdo.net, go to Login, and choose Assignments and Uploads. Since you have not used the site before, you need to click on Create New Account, located in the right-hand column towards the bottom. The username can be anything you want. However, realize that this is a name that I will see and potentially your parents will see, so it should be something appropriate. Next, you need to create a password. Now, there are certain requirements for the password. It has to be at least 8 characters, contain 1 digit, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 non-alphanumeric character, something like a dot or a dash. So go ahead and type in something you want as a password. Next, enter an email address that you have access to. And enter it again. Now, if you're registering during class time and you cannot access your email, don't worry about it. Let me know. I do have a way of confirming it, but you should confirm it through your email account if you can. Enter your first name, and this is the name as it shows on your student ID card. No nicknames, please. Your surname or your last name. The city or town. If you do not want to list your own town, list the schools, which is Valley Glen. And then click on Create My New Account. Notice that there's a mistake, and it tells you what the error is. Passwords must have at least 1 digit. If you want to take a look at what you had entered as a password, click on Unmask. Now I'm going to try again. Helps if I make sure I'm clicked in it. Scroll back down, click Create My New Account. And notice it says that an email has been sent to the email address I entered. I'm going to come over here to my email account, do a refresh, and here it is. I'm going to click on it to open. Here's a link. In most cases, you can just click on the link. In other cases, you will need to copy and paste it into the browser. Now, if I go to Login, Assignments and Uploads, it says I'm already logged in. I'll cancel. And now here's a list of courses available. Scroll down the list until you come to the course you want to register for, and then click on the name. At that point, towards the lower left, there's a blank for an enrollment key. That's a code that I will give you in class. Go ahead and enter it. Capitalization is important. Then click on Enroll Me, and you've now just registered for the class. If you're in a second class of mine, you can just go straight to the class list. You do not have to create a separate account, and that's all there is to registering.